Hello workout buddies, today is belly fat loss standing workout. I want to remind you that when it comes to losing weight or losing belly fat, exercises is not everything. In fact, 70% is your food choice in your diet. So eat less junk food and less deep fried food, more veggies and more fruit. You can also start intermittent fasting, 8 hours for beginner and 16 hours for higher level. Stay consistent with this routine for 2 to 3 weeks to see results. So let's get started.
Maybe I don't have to be Would you go to my head? 'Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise. Hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open.
when to stop. Tell me when to stop, babe. Just keep on dancing like we're not bound. Lovers on the clock. I'll be ready when we go down.
Let me go.
What will it be of us?